Few things this side of a supercar draw as many eyes and traffic as the BMW i3. Its cheeky, futuristic styling rides upon a high-tech platform that is equal parts carbon fiber and battery electric propulsion. Tidy dimensions make zipping through congested city traffic easy, and the i3 leaves nothing in its wake except slack jaws. Unfortunately, the base i3 and the slightly sportier i3s only offer 114 and 107 miles of combined EPA-rated driving range, respectively, far less than the Chevrolet Bolt or the Tesla Model 3. The BMW can be hit with a 2-cylinder range-extending gasoline engine, something neither the Chevy nor the Tesla offers, but if you're not married to the i3's neat styling and cool interior, the lower-priced Bolt makes a lot more sense. High's gorgeous interior, eco-looks image, you'll get noticed. Low's limited range, undistinguished handling, you might get noticed for the wrong reasons. Verdict: a fancy package with unique features but an impressive electric range. What's new for 2018? The performance-oriented i3s model joins the lineup for 2018 and sports a more aggressive exterior design in the form of new front and rear bumpers and gloss black grille and roofline accents. To live up to its sportier appearance, the i3s comes with a lowered sports suspension, a wider track, and 20-inch wheels that are a half-inch wider than those of the normal i3. A 184 horsepower electric motor provides extra punch-up 14 horsepower from the standard car, but driving range suffers if the i3s is driven hard. Other minor changes include an upgraded infotainment system with a much larger optional display and available Apple CarPlay. A new brown leather and grey cloth interior theme is available on the Giga World model. Full LED headlamps are now standard across the range, and 2 new colors join the palette, Melbourne Red Metallic and Imperial Blue Metallic. Last year's 21.6 kWh base model is no longer offered, fine bias. What was new for 2017? For 2017, BMW gave the i3 a sizable range boost with the addition of a 33.2 kWh battery pack for an extra $2,050. The new pack required no more space than the old one and provided an EPA-rated 114 miles of electric range on a charge. That's a significant jump up from the entry-level pack's 81-mile rating. The range extender can only be added to the optional larger battery pack, providing 3 total powertrain choices for the 2017 i3. Trims and options we'd choose because of the i3's sit-icon nature. We'd pick the electric-only model and equip it with the $1,800 Giga World package, which adds lovely eucalyptus or dark oak curved wood dashboard trim, leather and wool seating surfaces, 19-inch wheels. To that we pay $750 for front and rear parking sensors and $800 for the 16-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system. At $48,795. Our preferred i3 is priced much higher than the Chevrolet Bolt EV, which offers more than twice the driving range, but as of this writing, both cars are still eligible for the $7,500 federal F-tax credit. Electric vehicles might seem complicated and overloaded with technology, but one of their advantages is the functional simplicity of the EV powertrain. With its on-speed direct drive transmission, the i3 pulls hard, smoothly, and in a linear fashion, all while staying completely silent. No fake engine noises here. What's new for 2018? The new i3's slightly more powerful electric motor put its extra 14 ponies to good use, shaving off some time from the acceleration runs of the 2017 i3F and i3F range extender models we tested last year. BMW has also given the i3s a dedicated sport mode that alters the throttle response for peppier acceleration from a standstill. The i3s can also be ordered with the same 2-cylinder range-extending gasoline engine as the normal i3, but its extra weight hinders the car's acceleration time. Test results: acceleration, BMW i3s. 2017 BMW i3. Part of what makes driving electric vehicles fun is that they have maximum torque available from a dead stop. In our testing, The i3 went from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds, an impressive 0.3 seconds slower than a Honda Civic C Coupe. That torque zip helped launch it from 30 to 50 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds and 50 to 70 in 4.4 in our passing tests. Squirting through traffic is never a problem. Charging system. According to BMW, a full charge of the 21.6 kWh battery pack requires 16 hours on a standard 120 volts outlet but only 3.5 hours on 240 volts. The 33.2 kWh pack requires every second of a 24-hour day for a full charge on 120 volts current but only needs 4.5 hours with a 240 volt setup. Rated at 114 miles of all-electric driving range, the i3's 33.2 kWh battery pack pales in comparison with the Chevrolet Bolt's 60.0 kWh battery and its EPA rating of 238 miles. Even with the gasoline-fueled range-extending generator, which fires up when the battery falls to a 5% state of charge, the i3 is rated by the EPA at just 180 miles of total combined range. What's new for 2018? Although the i3's EPA fuel economy ratings have held steady for 2018, the sporty i3's model is new and trades some of its fuel efficiency and driving range for a slightly sportier driving experience. In our real-world testing, the i3's fell far behind its EPA rating in the results of a standard i3 we tested last year. Electric-only range. When looking at the numbers of an electric vehicle, the EPA's fuel economy rating is often more important if you're bragging to friends and shaming exhaust breathers than if you're trying to understand the true advantages of the vehicles. Range is more relevant for most people. That said, the EPA estimates the i3's city economy at 129 mph and its highway economy at 106 mph. Keep in mind that aerodynamic drag is exponential. What that means to the electric vehicle driver is that highway trips use up more battery juice, but stop-and-go city driving is more advantageous because there are significantly more chances for regenerative braking. Those mph numbers are within reach for the high-end Ioniq Electric and the Volkswagen e-Golf, but no competitor's range lives up to that of the Chevy Bolt EV. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. So far, we haven't tested a small electric vehicle that has traveled all 200 miles of our highway testing procedure. The Bolt EV was the only one that came remotely close, with an observed range of 190 miles. Even equipped with the range extender, the i3 could not complete the full loop.